Next chapter is chapter 8, quadrilateral, and you all are aware about the types of quadrilateral and their properties as you have done in class 7 and 8 also, right? Trapezium, parallelograms, rectangle, square, rhombus. Let's revise first of all all these kinds of quadrilateral, then we'll move to the properties, right? So first of all, first is that trapezium. What is a trapezium here? Whose one pair of opposite side is parallel. A quadrilateral is a trapezium whose one pair of opposite side is parallel and other side is non-parallel. But other side can be equal, and it will be an isosceles trapezium then if non-parallel sides are equal, right? Next, there is kite. What is a kite? Whose adjacent sides are equal. Whose adjacent sides are equal. Like if ABCD is a kite, then AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to DC, and angle B is equal to angle D. Right? Next, we move to parallelogram. Right? What is parallelogram? Whose one, according to the definition, whose one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. ABCD is given here parallelogram, then if AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC, then we can say that it's a parallelogram. Other definitions are opposite sides are parallel. दोनों pair अगर parallel हो जाए, then also parallelogram. Like if we say AB is parallel to DC, AD is parallel to BC, then also it's a parallelogram, right? Then also we can say that if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then also we can say that it's a parallelogram. Then after this, a parallelogram is a rectangle. A parallelogram is a rectangle whose all angles are equal to 90 degree, right? And one more property, extra property is there, that the diagonals in rectangle are equal, right? Next, a parallelogram is a square whose all sides are equal and angles are also equal to 90 degree. Diagonals are also equal and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, right? Then a parallelogram is a rhombus whose all sides are equal, diagonals are not equal but bisect each other at 90 degree. So these are the kinds of quadrilateral, and we are going to do the properties of these. The property we are revising here, the same we are going to do in this chapter, but we are going to prove it. Earlier we have just learned the properties. हमने सिर्फ properties को as it is learn किया था. Now we are going to prove the property. By taking one, we are going to prove the another one. So let's start it. First of the property here is angle sum property, as you have done earlier also. Angle sum property of quadrilateral, right? So then angle, there are 4 points A, B, C, D. Then A, B, C, D are points. So angle will be taken as A, B, C, and D, right? So its sum is equal to 360 degree. What the angle sum property says, that sum of angles is equal to 360 degree. And how can we prove that? By taking a diagonal, right? Diagonal, say after that you can give the names to the angles like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also prove this. Angle A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degree, and you can prove that by using angle sum property of triangle. अब हमें पता है कि सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ट्राइंगल की एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है कि दैट सम ऑफ एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सेम वी विल अप्लाई हियर एंड विल प्रूव द थ्योरम. In this triangle ABD, we can say angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, right? Then in this triangle BDC, we can say angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, right? Then we can add it, left hand side को left hand side में, right hand side को right hand side में. Then it will be angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle C is equal to 360 degree, right? After this, angle A, then we know that angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to C, angle C. 1 और 3 को add करेंगे, we'll get angle C. 2 plus 4 को add करेंगे, we'll get angle B. And then plus, sorry, it's angle D. If we add angle 1 plus 3, then it's angle D. And plus C is equal to 360 degree. We have added left hand side to left hand side, right hand side to right hand side. Then A and C is already given here. 1 plus 3 will be D, 2 plus 4 will be B. So we can say here angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. And that is angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now we'll go to the properties of a parallelogram. So the first property here is a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangle. We already know that. अभी हम जितनी भी हम properties करेंगे will prove that जो हमने पहले learn किए हैं. The first is here diagonals of parallelogram divide it into two congruent triangles. So first of all we'll take here a parallelogram and a diagonal, any diagonal, and we are to prove here the diagonal of parallelogram divide it into two congruent triangles. That means we are to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC, right? Here we are to prove here that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. You can see here opposite angles are equal, तो आप opposite लेंगे, like A C के opposite है, B D के opposite है. So we'll take A के place पे C, A का corresponding part C हो जाएगा, B का corresponding point D और C का corresponding point B, like this. ठीक है? Then right, CK, sorry, here we have taken ABC, then it will be CDA. CDA, because A का corresponding point C का corresponding point A and D का corresponding point B, right? So in these two triangles, what we have now? First of all, here we have given a parallelogram. So AC we can take here common. We can take here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by alternate interior angles as opposite sides are parallel. According to the parallelogram, here we will consider it's a parallelogram, and according to the definition of parallelogram, we'll take here that the opposite sides are parallel. जो हम इसकी initial definition लेकर चलेंगे, that we will take that opposite sides are parallel. ये एक parallelogram है. If you write down here given, it's a parallelogram. This implies opposite sides are parallel. Then to prove these two triangles are congruent, then proof हम ये दोनों triangles consider करेंगे, and in these two triangles angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is given, sorry, alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, that is also alternate interior angles, and AC is equal to AC, that is common. So by ASA, we can say that the triangles are congruent. By A, angle side angle, because side is common here. So by angle side angle, we can say that the triangles are congruent, right? So that was to prove here. Next term is, next property. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So let's take a parallelogram. So if we have given a parallelogram, that means its opposite sides are parallel. राइट अब हमें प्रूव करना है इट्स ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, किसकी ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल हैं. अभी हमने कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया था इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In first question we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, right? According to that, by CPCT you can say AB, as we have proved here, ABD is congruent to CDB, right? Like this. So here AB is equal to CD and BD is equal to DB, right? Okay, and AD is equal to BC. So opposite sides are equal here, right? By CPCT. Let's move to the third property now. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, each pair of opposite side, then it is a parallelogram. We have given a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal, each pair of opposite side, like ABCD is a quadrilateral. Its opposite sides are given equal. AB is equal to DC. AD is equal to BC. You are to prove that it's a parallelogram. So parallelogram prove करने के लिए according to the definition, you need to prove that opposite sides are parallel. अगर आप एक पेयर भी प्रूव कर दो opposite side parallel का, then it will be a parallelogram. क्योंकि another definition, एक definition ये होती है that opposite sides are parallel. दूसरी आप ये भी कह सकते हैं when one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. अगर एक पेयर opposite side का equal और parallel हो जाता है then also it's a parallelogram. So we are going to prove here the same. Opposite sides equal given है, ठीक है. इन दोनों को congruent prove कर दो. Prove these two triangles congruent. Easily हो जाएगी by SSS. AB is equal to DC. AD is equal to BC. BD is common here, so we can say that the triangles are congruent. Then by CPCT, you can say here that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. क्योंकि हम प्रूव जब करेंगे ट्राइंगल तो हम ये प्रूव करेंगे ABD is congruent to CDB, क्योंकि A पॉइंट C के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग है, B D के और D B के, ठीक है. सो जो D पे एंगल होगा वो B के एंगल के इक्वल होगा अदर दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में. और 3 किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? 4 के. इवन सॉरी एनफ है 3B. 3 is also enough. Sorry, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are equal by CPCT. So ये हमारे पास alternate angles हैं. Now alternate angles are equal. This implies opposite sides are parallel. This implies alternate angles are equal. This implies opposite sides are parallel. So now one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. So you can say that the triangles are congruent, right? Next, 8.4. In a quadrilateral, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. The same here. Opposite angles आपको equal prove करने हैं. In this, in a quadrilateral, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Okay, so when, let's take a parallelogram whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. So here we can use the property adjacent angles. जैसे parallelogram है, इसकी एक property ये भी होती है कि adjacent angles, like suppose these two lines are parallel, then angle 1 and angle 2, these are called adjacent angles also and co-interior also, and its sum is equal to 180 degree. जो co-interior angles होते हैं उनका sum 180 degree होता है, right? So we are going to use this property here, like angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, यहां से हम ये भी कह सकते हैं एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, राइट? ए और डी एडजेसेंट है, पैरेललोग्राम के एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 होता है. ए और डी एडजेसेंट है, ए और बी भी एडजेसेंट है, एक ही लाइन पे है. ठीक है, दोनों का सम 180, दोनों को इक्वल रख दो. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल डी is equal to angle A plus angle B. A से A cancel, angle D is equal to angle B, right? So what does it shows? That opposite angles are equal. Similarly, we can say angle A is equal to angle C with the same reason. अगर हम यहाँ पे जैसे हमने AD और AB लिया है, इधर हम BD और AB और BC लेते हैं, then we can prove that angle A is equal to angle C, right? So here we can say opposite angles are equal. Next, 8.5. If in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it's a parallelogram, right? Opposite to the previous question. It's given here a parallelogram, each pair of opposite angle equal, like A, B, C, D. Opposite angles equal है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Opposite angles are equal, that means what we have given? A is equal to C and angle B is equal to angle D. That is given here. और प्रूव करना है कि इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम. तो क्या प्रूव करना पड़ेगा? दैट ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, राइट? तो अब हम प्रूव करेंगे कि एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री है. अगर आपको याद हो, आपने 7th चैप्टर में किया था that if corresponding angles are equal then lines are parallel, and if lines are parallel then corresponding angles are equal. Same here, if adjacent angles ka sum equal to 180 degree then opposite sides are parallel, and if opposite sides are parallel then sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, right? Same we are going to do here. So A is already given equal to C, right? And B is already given equal to D. So we can write down here as it's a, here we will use angle sum property. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 डिग्री. ठीक है, C के प्लेस पे रख देते हैं A और D के प्लेस पे रख देते हैं B. ठीक है, क्योंकि दोनों इक्वल हैं. A प्लस B, C किसके इक्वल है? A के, और D किसके इक्वल है? B के, इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. तो आपके पास यहां से क्या हुआ? 2 एंगल A एंगल ए प्लस एंगल ए, टू एंगल ए, एंगल बी प्लस एंगल बी, टू एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. टू कॉमन ले लो, इट विल बी कैंसिल अदर साइड, देन ए प्लस बी is equal to 180 degree, right? If a plus b equal to 180, this implies opposite sides are parallel. AD किसके parallel हो गई? BC के. Similarly, AB किसके parallel हो जाएगी? DC के. Similarly से आप कह सकते हैं that AB is parallel to DC, right? So it's a parallelogram. Next theorem, 8.6. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Here we have given a parallelogram. We know that the diagonals bisect each other, but we are to prove here. तो हम यूज करेंगे parallelogram की property that opposite sides are parallel और prove करेंगे कि diagonals bisect करते हैं. Bisect means if ABCD is a given a parallelogram, right? Then you are to prove क्या करना है? OA is equal to OC. आपको ये प्रूव करना है O diagonals का मिड पॉइंट है. OB is equal to OD. That you are to prove. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? इन दोनों कोई भी ऑपोजिट ट्राइंगल्स ले लो, एनी ऑपोजिट ट्राइंगल्स ले सकते हो कोई भी, जैसे मैंने ले ली AOD और BOC. ठीक है, BOC के प्लेस पे आप लिखेंगे COB. COB क्योंकि A C के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग है और B D के, राइट? सो यहाँ से क्या कह सकते हैं आप? पैरेललोग्राम है, ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल हैं, तो आप क्या कह सकते हैं? एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. ठीक है, एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4. it's also a it's also given alternate angle, right? And AD is equal to BC because it's a parallelogram, right? पैरेललोग्राम है तो ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल और इक्वल होंगी, तो हमने इक्वल साइड्स ली, एंगल्स ऑल्टरनेट इक्वल लिए. सो इट शोज बाय yes ASA, by ASA these two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB, right? Okay, then let's move to the next. If diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it's a parallelogram, opposite to the previous theorem. If diagonals bisect each other, then it's a parallelogram. डायगनल्स अगर बाइसेक्ट करते हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल में तो अपने आप से पैरेललोग्राम बन जाता है. मतलब आपको प्रूव करना है ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. ठीक है, और इक्वली फिर से यही दो सेम ट्राइंगल्स ले लो, डायगनल्स बाइसेक्ट करते हैं तो OA किसके इक्वल है? OC के. OB किसके इक्वल है? OD के. ठीक है, और वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स क्या हो गए? इक्वल. OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, and vertically opposite angles 1 equal to 2. Then by side angle side, these two triangles are congruent, right? अब CPCT से देखते हैं ट्राइंगल्स हमने कौन सी प्रूव करी? AOD congruent to COB. ठीक है, ओके. अब CPCT से क्या आएगा हमारे पास? लेट्स सी. AD किसके इक्वल हो जाएगी? BC के. ठीक है, AD इक्वल हो गई BC के, और एंगल 1 हम किसके इक्वल बोल सकते हैं? एंगल 2, सॉरी 3 and 4, टेक इट 3 and 4, 5 and 6, ठीक है, बाय सीपीसीटी से जो ए पे एंगल है वो सी के इक्वल होगा और जो एंगल डी पे है वो बी के इक्वल। ठीक है, तो अब इससे क्या हुआ, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल हो गई। यू डोंट नीड टू टेक ऑल दीज, आप सिर्फ एक पेयर भी ले सकते हो। You can take only one pair also, that is 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, means alternate angles are equal, means opposite sides are parallel, or by CPCT AD is equal to BC. AD BC के equal है और AD BC के parallel भी है. So according to the definition, ABCD is a parallelogram. According to the definition, ABCD is a parallelogram. Right?